Motivational quotes. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. You are never too old to set new goals or dream a new dream. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Your only limit is the one you set for yourself. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Don't stop until you're proud. Every accomplishment begins with the decision to try. You are capable of more than you know. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful.